Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, my son.
Yes, Baba.
What do you talk to you?
See, Baba, I've been suffering for all this while. So all I want is, I want to make money. Anyhow, I just want to make money.
You want to make money?
Yes, Baba. Yes.
You want to get rich?
Yes. Yes.
Anything I tell you make you do good.
Anything. Anything. I will do it.
Oracle. 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 Show me the solution to this problem. My son.
Yes, Baba.
You have a solution to your problem. What you have to do is very little. Just bring someone that is very close to you. Someone you like most. Bring the person for the money ritual. That's all. And you have the money. Will you do it?
Yes. Yes. I will do it. I will do it. It's not hard. Yes.
So you can go there. Go bring the person.
Thank you. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Thank you very much. Daddy, Femi, what you going to do for here? What are you doing here? So you two normally come here.
You don't find me
So
come
you
here.
normally come here, Abi?
You find me come here.
Yes, no problem.
You find me
Yes,
come
no
here.
problem. Don't worry.
I go meet you for house.
Okay, don't worry.
Baba,
Don't worry. I see.
Baba, old man, white spacer. Well done, Baba. I hail you, my son. I hail you. Welcome. Welcome, Baba. Wait till you bring you come here. Baba, my own no plenty. See, as I be fine boy, I won't get money. Me, I no say anything make I go school, but money, na money be the cocoa. You won't get money? Yes. And no problem now. You don't come to the right source. Na right source? Yes. Where be the right source? Person will give you my number so you come here. Don't help your life already. Thank God. Oracle. Oracle. Baba, why you not me for it now? You won't enter my screen? You don't say Oracle. It concern you. Now you do Oracle. Now you come. Idiot. Sorry, Baba. Oh, you might run you mad? Baba, na money I want. I don't want no mad. Na money. May you know best, Daddy. If they know this, no. Show me the solution to the problem. Okay. You have a solution already. Solution. And it is very simple. The solution to your problem is not far-fetched. You need to bring someone very dear to your heart. I mean someone you like most.
Baba, person I like most, make I bring am.
Yes.
If the person don't die, make I bring am.
That's the solution to your problem. Bring the person here for the money rituals. And you will have the money.
Person I like very well.
Yes.
Make I go bring am. The person, if say the person don't die, I feel bring am. Dead body.
Oracle. In the next minute, make this guy run mad.
you don't sleep?
Why you no sleep?
Why don't you sleep?
Why you no sleep?
Why? You have to sleep.
Why I go sleep?
Yes, you have
Now
to
you go
sleep.
force me say make I sleep.
Look at the time. Look at the time. Why are you awake? Why are you awake?
Hey!
What are you doing with this?
Leave drama.
What are you doing with this?
Wait,
In your hand.
this one.
You are
See ya.
sleeping. You are sleeping, and you hold screwdriver and a plier in your
Shut
hand.
up! You ask me question. Where's that
Uh-huh.
this one? Dey do? Say, you see light? Nobody I want take and repair the light. What you
This
take
one.
they do? Nice.
This one.
Nice.
I was hearing some sound outside, so I just went to take this thing and put it.
Oh,
in-
God,
in
leave you
case.
know, you know.
You know, we don't
I
have
know
security.
wetin you wan do.
What they
I
want
know
to do?
wetin you wan do.
What?
That's
What?
what Baba will go meet.
Which
Because
man?
they don't say, man, we go bring person
You
wey
see?
person
You
person
see?
wey we
So
like.
you have me in mind.
You two have
It
me in
is
mind.
me you want to use.
You wan use me?
It is Femi. Now I know your intention.
Tade, you wan use
No
me?
wonder you've not been sleeping. You this Femi. You want to use me.
Tade.
You do know who I am.
Do you know who I am?
who I am? Ah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please, I'm here for the interview and I want to submit the CV.
Okay. You can have a seat.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. All right, ma'am. Okay. Oh my God. I'm not sure this guy is here for this interview. Hello. Hello. You can go in.
Okay. Thank you.
You say your name is?
Mr. Tade Ogunfowora.
Mr. Tade Ogunfowora. Okay. And I've gone through your CV and I can see you have a BSc in... Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Are you sure you're with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what state are you from?
I'm from Ogun State.
Ogun State. And hello?
Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Do you drink?
No, I don't.
You keep late night?
Not at all. I don't.
Okay. So, Mr. Tade,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
let's just say you've gotten the job already.
Thank you very much.
But rest assured, you have a post here. And I'm sure we'll get back to you
Thank you very much, ma'am.
to have a nice day.
Thank you.
You want go start job? That is car. Oh! Now there you go there. Go start job. See him there. I remember this is a Scott small. Useless thing. You want go start job. You want get money pass me. Now me go force you get money. Congo. Hello. Yes, it's me now. I'm Tade. Yes, I came for an interview, but I didn't need your job. I didn't need your job. I just came that day for formality's sake. I don't need your job. I have a better job. Please, please, and please, read my lips. Don't call this number again. Don't call my number again. Don't call my number again. Thank you. Bye-bye. Idiot.
Oh, good morning.
I'm here in respect of the interview I came to do the other time. So you guys say you call me or you send me a text message. Up till now, I've not seen both. So I said I should come over.
Interview?
Yes.
But I've called you or sent you a text. Don't you get my text?
No, you did not. I didn't see any text message. I didn't even see your call. So
Oh, my goodness. Mr. Tade,
yes.
I could remember I called you personally that you should come and resume the next day. And you said you don't need our job anymore. That you've gotten another job elsewhere.
Me?
Yeah.
No, I did not. I did not. You didn't call me. I didn't even see your call. I didn't see your text message.
Are you not Mr. Tade?
Yes, I am.
said I called you. So what are you saying?
You did not call me. I didn't see your call.
I called you and I sent you a text. You told me you don't need our job.
You did not call me. If you
I
call
said
me,
I called you.
You did not.
I did.
I didn't see your call.
You're welcome,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Like Mr. Tade Ogunomu.
Yes, I am. Yes. I came here the other time for the interview and you said you call me. And I didn't see any call. I didn't even see text me. I didn't see any text message.
But you were here 4 days ago for an interview, and I told her to contact you the next day. And what was the reply you gave to me?
He said he doesn't need our job anymore.
No, I did not. You didn't call me. I didn't see your call. I didn't see your text message. Please.
I don't understand your plight here.
I was here yesterday. I came here yesterday.
Mr. Tade, can I ask you something?
Yes.
You know, I can remember vividly I asked you some questions that day. I asked that, do you smoke?
I said no.
Thank you. And I asked, do you drink? You said no.
Exactly.
So how come there's a mixed up? You were here 4 days ago and you're here telling me you came here yesterday. Could we possibly be stupid or something? We can't probably be lying. And this is my office. I wouldn't want that noise.
Please, man, please, you have to do something, oh, please. This joke is too expensive, oh, please, you have to do something. I didn't see any call, please.
Sandra, you guys
I didn't
just
see any
sort
call,
it
madam,
out.
please. Don't.
Thank you, sir.
Please.
Thank you, sir. You've
I
overstayed.
did not see any call. I did not even see any text message.
Mr. Tade, I wouldn't want to invite the security here, so you can take your leave.
Wait. You said I came here 4 days ago.
Yeah.
4 days ago. Okay. Femi.
So,
Femi.
Thanks for coming.
Femi. Don't. Thank you.
Send me your account number. Then I go alert you. I go send money to you. You go receive the alert. Nah. But the main problem we did there be say, make you promise, no problem. Okay. Court, make I send now so you go. Okay. I get 12,000. I send 10. 2 go remain. Naija Bank. Na, I send them. Then deduct my money straight. Me then just forget leave the 10,000. Make the girl collect the 10,000. No be their own. They know they do affair. Hello? You don't say am? Okay. I don't sharpen my pencil. No say before, now you dey win me, but I won't win you today. Okay. No problem. Okay. That concretion wey dey, I will knack am. I must win am. Na today I must win this thing. This thing be that. Oko obi jogbo. Man go buy tom. I will just take am. Film. Drink a film. Put tom too na energy. This one energy. Now today break. Thank God.
This foolish guy. Hey, this Femi is so foolish. He thinks he can be enjoying while he spoils my own life. It is not possible. I will show him. It's good.
Daddy, come go out because I get August visitor. Come go out. I don't see you for house. I don't see you. No, it's so. Then some people can doing this thing ordinarily. I no go take am. Now because of say wetin I wan do. I dey see dog. No baby. The thing never dey shoot baby. Ma take this one, step am now. Ma relax. As I no relax na him make am.
Femi, wake up now. Ah, your baby Cynthia is here now. Femi, guy.
Welcome.
What is all this now, Femi? You told me you've sharpened your pencil and I'm here now. You are behaving funny.
Welcome, ma.
Femi, it's me now. Cynthia, your baby, I'm here to rock you. Wake up.
See?
It's me, your baby, Cynthia. Femi, it's me now. Look at me now. I'm looking beautiful for you.
Yeah.
Femi. What happened to this guy now? You said you have sharpened your pencil. And I'm here now. You are doing colomenta. Femi, are you okay, Femi? Sure. Anyway, what's my own? My own is you are the one that is losing hair. You have paid my money. I've received my money. If you like, we wake up. If you like, you don't wake up. I'm leaving now because I don't have time to waste. I'm a business girl. My time is money. Just got to go.
This girl, na promise and fair, and she collect my money. For this reception time, na one person go dey dupe me 10,000. Cynthia, I go cash you. Tade! Wetin dey do this guy sef?
What is it? Why are you shouting my name?
Wetin be what is this?
What is it?
When person want to make friends with you, now that time you go dey do anyhow. I just call you say, you know, you're my friend now. Afa.
Yeah. Friendship. What is it?
Shey, nobody ask of me.
Cynthia came here. Yes.
Cynthia?
Yes.
Which kind Cynthia?
She came. I heard her voice.
No, they talk big grammar. You know, say me, I no go school, I no read. Me, no go school, no read. No be, she come.
Yes, she came now.
Why you no wake me?
Me.
Wake you. Yes.
Me.
Yes.
Wake you. I set you up. Yes.
Wetin I do you why you go set me up?
I set you up.
Wetin I do you?
So you don't know what you did to me.
Wetin I do you why
you don't know what you did to me. I set you up.
Why?
I dropped something into your drink. Yes.
Is that my drink?
Between me and you, it is 1-1.
1?
1-1.
1-1.
Yes.
1-1.
Yes.
You be Atletico Madrid fans, I be.
Yes.
I be confirmed die-hard Chelsea fans.
So?
Now 1-1.
1-1.
Now 1-1.
Yes.
I go show you say the battle line has been drawn.
Yes. Draw it.
Oh yeah,
Bet
bet
me.
battle line. Bet me.
Between me and you.
Who go cut am?
I will cut it.
Me too, I will cut am.
Uh-huh.
Go.
Yes,
I
I
will
will
go.
go.
Go, I
I
will
will
go.
go. What is it? Between me and you.
10,000. Yeesh. I don't get opinion. Tade, you do me abi? Tade! Thank God. This woman no dey house. Just do bear as like Christmas goat. Good for nothing sake. Monday special. My true direct must come because now all my money I take play am. God I beg you. God that they take beg, they beg you. God that they take beg, they beg you. God do I beg you. Make this thing come.
look at the idiot. He thought I'm not around. Eh? Hey, where did you keep this thing? I don't know how somebody is so foolish to use the remaining money left with him to play MSP. But I will show him. I know what to do. 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 I will show you the kind of person I am. No. I must leave everything. Ah.
MSP I don't win no winner. MSP I don't shop oh. Now Tony number 1441. Winner oh, winner oh, winner. MSP I don't win no winner. MSP I don't shop oh. Hey, I don't arrive. Femola la. Now me be that. I don't arrive. That boy, who dey call Tade, I go show am say I don't arrive. As I dey paint the town red, now I go dey paint am blue. Red, blue, town red. Tade blue. Na conjunction. Opposite of red, na blue. Yes. Make I walk majestically to that side. Now that place gone my money dey. Hey, winner oh, winner oh, winner. MSP I don't win oh, winner. MSP I don't shop oh, winner. God, it's the cash bill. 740. 740. Man, take water. Man, take water. Man. MSP. Hey! Ah! Yeah! 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 I don't know. God, 740. 740. Now who do this thing for me? Oh, I don't die. Yeah. Tade! Tade, my life! I want to pray it down again. I want to pray it down again. I want to pray it down again.